If you Google Dalits in India or anything, you would see dominant caste people writing about Dalit bodies, Dalit lives, and thereafter winning awards for those stories, But there's hardly anything changing for Dalits or Dalit journalists. The Indian media loves Dalit stories, but not Dalit journalists at all. There's almost a blackout when they talk of Dalit people. And the sort of stories that are done about Dalit people are mostly stories of atrocity only. There are hardly any stories of our resistance. There are hardly any stories of our protest, of our fight.
As a woman and then as a Dalit, I feel mostly alone. Since you get into the journalism college, people are not from your background. There are hardly any. Now journalism has become something which is like a corporate job. Only people from the dominant communities take it up to be on TV or who speak good English and who have connections. You understand immediately that you're not a part of them.
I interviewed 3 of these top leaders, and all of them asked me about my full name. What do I do? What caste do I belong to? What does my father do? They didn't have the even the courtesy to ask what my mother does. Perhaps that's not important what a woman does, but for you to be able to earn the answers from your sources, you have to first tell your caste.
There are just so many times when when discussion just centers around our identities, or we're pushed because of our identities, that we don't get to report on most of the things that we want to report on. A lot of us just don't have that option. Also, we'll just keep continuing our work. Nobody can push us. Like we're also a community that has survived after 3,000 years of oppression, in the face of so much oppression. So of course we can push back and still continue and still.
They can scare you, they can threaten you, they can incarcerate you, and they can even attack you. But what they shouldn't be able to do is stop you from doing your work. By work, I mean meaningful journalism that holds the powerful to account.
And thankfully, there are some alternative media which we are working who support and invest time to send your reporter, to hire a Dalit woman and send your reporter on stories that really matter.
If there was any lesson for democracy that I had to give, it would be to support independent journalists, or to support journalists from the Adivasi community, Dalit community, Muslim community, and to build infrastructures that help at least a lot of these stories to come out. To start with, that would be my lesson to democracy today.